So, Hunchovb VB, what will you be making today?
Well, I'm back with you guys, and today I'll be making some vanilla ice cream in the new Ninja CREAMi. Ninja just launched this new Ninja CREAMi, and I've had the opportunity to work with it for a few months. So I'm going to share with you some of the knowledge that I learned from using this gadget and to show you how to use it. Go out and get this new Ninja CREAMi. It is the bomb diggity. Let's get started. This is the new Ninja CREAMi that Ninja just launched, and it is able to make ice cream, gelato, you can even do your light ice cream, your smoothie bowls, your milkshakes, and your sorbets. It's almost like the sky's the limit. And you can also add your fixings. You can mix in different things, so by pressing that. Okay, so the main thing is you get a book. I've already unboxed it. So this is the unit, and this is, you get 3 pints, and of course if you want to add to this you can. You also get this gadget, and it comes with a lid button that you can take it off. Here's your blade, and you would take your recipe, put it in here, freeze it for 24 hours, then you put it into the container, you align it, simple as that, and then you put it into on the Ninja CREAMi, and all you have to do is twist. It goes up and clicks into place. It's sliding around because I have it on a glider. And then you would make your, you would select the feature that you want, and it would start to make your dessert. Okay. I'm going to do a recipe from the book. We're going to make the vanilla ice cream. It calls for whole milk. I want to show you that this unit is very flexible, and instead of using whole milk, I'm going to use oat milk. So I'm going to use a milk alternative. I'm going to turn this off and press release to bring it back down. That's how you release it. Take the container off once you have created everything, and then your ice cream would be made. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way, and then let's get started with our recipe. Already put in 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I want to give you a tip. When you are making ice cream, I have learned that when you add 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese, it helps to produce a creamier product. So I normally add 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese when I'm doing ice cream. Here again, that's a tip. You don't have to use it, but I like it. It does make a creamier ice cream for me. I also have 1 cup of oat milk and 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. So let me add that to the mixture. And I have 1/3 cup of sugar. And actually that's all to it. Now I'm going to mix it up. The main thing, you want to get all of that cream cheese incorporated into your milk mixture. Okay. Now mind you, if you wanted to add mix-ins or fix-ins to your recipe, you do that at the end. So you don't add it now to your liquid mixture. Okay. Here's my empty container. You see, you have a fill line, max fill. Okay, right at the max fill line. Okay. Now all I have to do is put the top on. Make sure the top is down good. And when you put it in your freezer, please, 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 make sure you put it in vertically and that it's not tilted, because if it's tilted, that will interfere with the machine making a good ice cream for you. It has to be put in vertically like this. So make sure you put it down into your freezer straight and not tilted. All right, so be back in 24 hours. The frozen recipe that we just made. I have my container. I'm going to put the frozen recipe in here, and it's going to click. So when you put it down, keep turning till it clicks into place. Put the lid on. Mind you, make sure you take the gray lid off. You have your blade in. Line up your lines. Turn to the left to click it into place. Place it on top of the unit. Turn it around until it clicks. Turn it on. I'm making ice cream. And you will see the dash will go all the way over when it's ready, and the blade is going down into your mixture to spin around and make your ice cream. So now it has completely stopped. We have ice cream. All right, now if you look at the bottom of the unit, it says hold and twist to release bowl. So you press down the little gray button, turn your container around to release it, and lift up. All right, now to open this up, press for lid and just turn. And there we have ice cream, guys. Ice cream. And look, if it's not creamy enough for you, if you want to do it again, you can always do a respin. You have a respin option in the front panel of your machine. All right, this is how you do your ice cream. All right, I got to give this a taste. Here, I got a caramel walnut sundae that I just made. Look at here. Got my walnuts, some caramel drizzle, and my vanilla ice cream that I made in the Ninja CREAMi. All right. Look how creamy it is, guys. Look. Okay, let's give this a taste. You control the ingredients you put in your ice cream. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Why do I have to go out to the ice cream parlor when you can have the ice cream parlor in your home? So good. You all should try the Ninja CREAMi. This is a 2 thumbs up, guys. Look, I'm gonna come back with some more recipes, show you some other things you can do with the CREAMi, and I pray that you will have a good rest of your day. What? On purpose. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace, and thanks to my cameraman.